Hello everyone, I am Suchita Morir. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic of matrices, rank of a matrix. Learning objective. After this video, student can understand the concept of rank of matrix, and by using this concept and knowledge, they can determine the rank of a matrix. Now, rank of a matrix is said to be R if first point it has at least one non-zero minor of order R, and secondly every minor of A of order higher than R is 0. Here, suppose the rank of a matrix of order m by n matrix, this value is always less or equal to smaller of the number of m and n. Now method for finding rank. First step, reduce the given matrix to upper triangular form by using row operation. Secondly, rank of a matrix is equal to number of non-zero rows. Now number of non-zero rows, that means here this important point, number of non-zero rows means contain at least one non-zero number. If last row is completely zero, then the rank is less than this one row. That means suppose 3 by 3 matrix is given. Last after row operation, last row completely zero, then its rank is 2 in this way. Now we solve the examples. Example number 1. Determine the rank of the matrix A equal to, we consider first problem for 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 2, 3, first row. Second row 1, 4, 2, and third row 2, 6, 5. Now here we've determined the rank of the given matrix. For this we consider the given A matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, and 2, 6, 5. Now by using row operation we forming 0 in first column first by using R1. Therefore row operations are R2 changes to R2 minus of R1, and R3 changes to R3 minus 2 times of R1, we forming here 0. Therefore A becomes here 1, 2, 3, first row as it is, here second row, first element is 0, then 2 minus 1. This R2 minus this, that means 4 minus of 2, 2 minus of 3, that means minus 1. Now third row, R3 changes to R3 minus 2 times of this, that means here 0. Then 6 minus of 4, that means 2. Then 5 minus of 6 minus 1. Now we forming 0 here diagonal elements upper triangular form, that means we have to form all elements below these diagonal elements are 0. Now these are the diagonal elements. Here we form 0 in second column by using R2 now. Therefore R2 changes to this by using R2. Therefore R3 changes to R3 minus of R2. Then we get first row as it is 1, 2, 3. Second row as it is 0, 2, minus 1. Third row is 0, here 0 and 0. Now these are the diagonal elements. Below that, all elements are 0, therefore this is the upper triangular form matrix. Then we easily find out the rank of this matrix. Now rank of A equal to number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows. Now here number of non-zero rows means this row contain at least one non-zero number. Here that means this one first row, second row, and third row is completely zero. Therefore rank of A equal to 2. In this way we find out the rank of the matrix of 3 by 3 matrix. Now we discuss the second example for 4 by 4 matrix. Example number 2. Find the rank of the matrix A equal to numbers are -1, 2, 3, -2, 2, -5, 1, 2, 3, -8, 5, 2, and 5, -12, -1, 6. This is 4 by 4 matrix, 4 rows and 4 columns. Now we find out the rank of this. Now we consider directly here A equal to this value. Now apply row operation and forming here 0. Now diagonal elements are -1, -5, 5 and 6. Below this we form the 0. Therefore we forming 0 in first column by using R1. Therefore R2 changes to R2 plus 2 times R1. R3 changes to R3 plus 3 times R1, and R4 changes to R4 plus 5 times R1. Now whenever the sign of these two are different, then give positive sign. If the sign are same, that means negative negative or positive positive, then here in operation we give negative sign. Now then A becomes here first row as it is -1, 2, 3, -2. Here second row 0. By applying this operation, R2 changes to R2 plus 2 times of this. That means -5 plus 4 -1. In this way, we find out the values 0, -2, here 14, then -4. 0, -2, 14, -4. Now diagonal elements are these. Now we forming 0 in second column by using R2. Therefore, R2 changes to R3 changes to R3 minus 2 times R2, and R4 changes to R4 minus 2 times of R2. Then here first row -1, 2, 3, 2. Then second row is 0, -1, 7, -2 as it is. And by operation, row operation, we get all values are 0. Third row and fourth row is also 0. Now here 4 by 4 matrix, and these are the diagonal elements. All below diagonal elements are 0. Therefore, this is the upper triangular form. Now we find out the rank of a matrix. Rank of A equal to number of non-zero rows Therefore, rank of A equal to. Now here number of non-zero rows, here this first row, here again number of non-zero rows, not 2, and in third row complete values are 0, complete elements, 4 elements are 0, therefore we cannot consider these for ranking, and fourth row is again all elements are 0, therefore number of non-zero rows are only 2, and this is the required answer. In this way, we solve the problems of rank for 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 matrix. And application of this rank for finding the consistency or testing the consistency of the simultaneous equation. Thank you.